everyone, today's video is about the Dyson hairdryer. I'm a professional hairstylist, so I know all about the Dyson hairdryer, so I'm going to tell you my 2 cents about it, whether you should buy it or not. This is going to be really quick. I don't have a lot of battery here, so here we go. The Dyson hairdryer is a great hairdryer. However, in my personal experience, I have found that it tends to break down a lot. I worked for 2 salons where they were using the Dyson consistently, and it would just turn off just like that. I find the Dyson is a little bit of a diva and it doesn't really work for long periods of time. Even the professional ones, you're always going to have to send it back to the manufacturer to get it replaced. Like, it is a constant thing. It breaks down a lot. So I'm not a fan of the Dyson hairdryer. I think it's beautiful. I think it's cool. I think their diffusers are great, but it's just like, it doesn't have a long nozzle. So if you're a professional and you're trying to do a blowout, we use the nozzle to kind of move the hair as we're blowing out the hair. And the Dyson just doesn't have that. So I'm not a fan of the Dyson. The one that I recommend and that I use in the salon is the Gamma Pro. It's powerful, it is lightweight, it has that long nozzle so you're able to kind of move with the hair as you're blowing out the hair if you're a professional, and for yourself if you're using it on yourself. It's just so powerful, and you can like throw it in your suitcase too. It's very lightweight so you can actually travel with it. I will link it below. I do make a small cut whenever you buy anything through my links below. So I know what your next question is going to be, and that is, what about the Airwrap? The Airwrap is amazing. The Airwrap is amazing if you have long, frizzy, thick hair. If you have fine hair like me, you don't need the Airwrap. You can literally run the hairdryer through your hair and you're done. You can even air dry your hair. If you have hair like me that's super lightweight and super fine, you don't need the Airwrap. It's not going to do anything for you. Save your $700, use that money for a trip to Europe. But if you're looking for something that is going to cut your drying time, you want something that's going to be quick and easy and it's going to give you that big salon blowout at home, get the Airwrap. You have long, thick hair and it takes you an hour to blow dry your hair. Your blowout time is going to be cut down to 15 minutes. A lot of my clients are Southeast Asian. I have Pakistani clients, Indian clients, Latina clients, and they love their Airwrap. Anyone who has really long hair that struggles with drying your hair, get the Airwrap. It's a great investment. Think about all of the time you're going to be saving. Like, if time is money and you bill by the hour, think about all the hours that are going to be saved by this one tool. I'm not affiliated with them. In fact, I've gotten in touch with them and I've asked them to send me some PR, but apparently they don't have anyone on their marketing team. But I wanted to put out this video to educate you a little bit about the Dyson. I do love the Airwrap. I don't like the hairdryer. If you're looking for a good hairdryer, get the Gamma. That's incredible. And it does have a warranty. I've already exchanged mine 3 times because the lights weren't working. I do want to say that if you're going to be using one of the big round brushes like the Revlon, do not, because it's way too hot and it's going to ruin your hair and you're not going to be able to grow your hair. I do have a video on it and I review it and I talk about why it's so horrible and terrible and why everyone's hair is falling off from using the Revlon hairdryer. We don't want to do that. We want to keep as much hair on your head as possible. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts on the Dyson if you have used it, and if you have any questions, leave them below. Like this video because it helps me grow this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.